Have you ever wondered how a goddess could shape the fate of a hero? In ancient mythology, Thetis, the sea goddess, was known not just for her beauty, but for her profound influence on the events of the Trojan War. Born of the primordial sea, Thetis possessed the power to change her form at will. However, it was her role as the mother of Achilles that sealed her fate. When Thetis learned that her son was destined for a short yet glorious life, she desperately sought to protect him. In a pivotal moment, she submerged him in the river Styx, making him invulnerable, except for the heel by which she held him. This act of love would later lead to a tragic irony. Thetis, however, was not just a doting mother. She was entwined in the drama of the gods, caught in a web of prophecies and rivalries. When Zeus, the king of the gods, decreed that Achilles would meet his end in the war, Thetis could only watch as destiny unfolded. Her attempts to intervene, to sway the fates, often led to conflict among the gods and ultimately heartbreak. The tale of Thetis reminds us of the delicate balance between love, power, and the inevitable threads of fate in our lives.